Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am filming today while I plan my July monthly spread. Full disclosure, today is July 9th. I am almost 10 days late to this, but there is a reason. I am a shitty planner girl, and I didn't realize I didn't have a July monthly spread until Plancation. I thought I would be able to pick one up at Plancation, but I was not, so I ordered this one from Cactus Paper Company. She is an Arizona-based shop, so I did receive it pretty quickly after I ordered it, which is awesome because obviously I need to plan July. But the kit is pretty much perfect for what I need. So here are the top bars. Let's see if I can get my camera to agree with me today. And then obviously 4th of July and some cute quarter boxes. There are the bill dues, the like headers, some days off and vacation, and then you have some full boxes, some checklists for the side, and then some extra washi if you need it. So that is what we'll be doing today. Again, I am a shitty planner girl and I should have thought this out better, but like I said, I'm filming this on July 9th. Hopefully I get this up fairly soon. I, as you may be able to see, got another new setup. So I needed a new desk, and I needed one for a while. My old desk was just very small, so I had arranged a setup last time that kind of worked, and it was fine. And then on 4th of July, we realized my husband desperately needed a new desk because his desk was sagging. You can probably hear some humming in the background. That's my PC. I have a pretty nice gaming PC that my husband built me. But he has a very, very nice gaming PC on his desk. And it had caused his desk to kind of sag on one side, which if you have a $2,000 gaming PC, you do not want that shit to fall. So, he needed a new desk like immediately. So I spent my 4th of July driving to IKEA and back. It's about a 40-minute drive from where I live to the nearest IKEA. I guess I should say we're lucky that we even have an IKEA in the state. So there's that. But it was kind of inconvenient to have to drive there. Actually, I shouldn't say that. It was awesome to drive there on 4th of July. There was no traffic. It was amazing. We had ordered it online ahead of time. So I basically walked in and just loaded it into my car. Didn't have to deal with like the crowd or anything. So it was pretty awesome. So definitely if you have an IKEA near you, and you know exactly what you're getting, order it online ahead of time and just walk in and pick it up. I'm so confused. This must have been for last year because it has a Friday the 13th sticker, but the 13th is Saturday, so I don't need that sticker. So yeah, this must have been last year's 4th of July kit and she didn't change that. Awesome. So that would explain why there's nothing to cover these dates except these 3, which I'll probably put some Simply Gilded washi here. Let me do that. So I just put down some red, white, and blue Simply Gilded washi. I believe it was from her last year's 4th of July kit. So now let me go in and mark down my paydays. So yeah, so like I was saying, my husband needed a new desk, so I was like, well, if I'm driving all the way to IKEA and doing this, then I am also getting a new desk. So I got a whole new desk and I love it. It's amazing. I'm still working on moving my stuff into it and getting it all organized the way I want it, but I have so much more room now, and I have so much room for activities. If you guys know where that's from, then we can be best friends, because that is literally my favorite movie of all time. Yeah, I not only do I watch garbage TV, I watch garbage movies, so yeah, so this is what you're seeing here is my brand new desk in the background. And I will probably film a desk tour once I get everything set up the way I want it. It's just not 100% there. I still have some stuff sitting over in a different area. So I did want to mark my husband's paydays as well. Let's see. I have this caboodle that my table mate Michelle from the Sparkle Adventures gave me, and I have it filled with samplers. So in here is a bunch of samplers that I got from Funcation and all kinds of fun stuff. So I'm going to look through this and see if I have some payday stickers that will work. Okay, I was able to find this sampler from Planner Bunny Press with this cute little bunny, and I actually have the full-size sheet, so I have another one here. So I'm going to use these two to mark when my husband gets paid. My goal this year is to actually use my samplers from Plancation. I'm pretty sure I still have a stack of ones from last year's that I haven't even like touched. So I'm really trying to use them this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill out some of these bill due stickers and then put them down on the days they're due. Okay, now that all my bills are in, I'm going to go ahead and put down my nail appointments because, you know, priorities. And I'm going to use the little flags that the kit comes with, and then these cute nail stickers from Danny Faith Designs. I just love how neutral they are. So that's what I'll be using. This Saturday I did go to lunch with my best friend, and we did some shopping, of course. So I know this already happened, but I need to remember, that way I can plan for it for next month. I need to mark down when I take my Humira injections, and I think I'm going to use the small flags for those and just put like a little H, and I'll know what the H means. Today. And I take Humira for my psoriasis. If you guys want to know what brought it, I talked about it all in my last Plan With Me video. But I will have to schedule a delivery. So let me write that down. Otherwise, oh, hey, Minnie. Okay, nails. I am actually off today, so let me use this day off sticker that comes in the kit. Tomorrow I have desk duty. And to mark that again, I'm going to go back to this little sampler, and there's this cute little bunny in front of a computer. So desk duty. The 16th, I have 2 meetings. And I don't want to like stack it up all with boxes. So I think I'm just going to put them both on one box. The 20th, my best friend and I are actually going to see a friend from high school who is doing a drag performance, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. Like I said, we were all friends back in high school. We kept in touch, obviously, Facebook. But I think it'll be super fun to see him all decked out in drag and see everyone else. I've never been to a drag show, even though I've watched like every season of RuPaul's Drag Race. So I'm so excited. And I thought the cupcake and balloons were fitting for a drag show. And then the last thing I have is another meeting. Yay! And that's on the 26th. All right, let's do my sidebar. So I'm going to start out with goals. Oh, why are these so long? Am I just crazy? Is that the normal length? I don't know. I feel like if I move any further in, they're going to be interfering with my weeks, so I don't want that. I guess I could have gone a little bit more in, but it's fine. That little side won't bother me too much. It'll bother me a little bit, but not too much. I'm going to use this month to write down and keep track of the kits that I use. I'd like to try to remember whose kit I used each month. That way I can make sure I have a good variety. I like to use a variety of kits in my planner. Like, I don't just want to buy from one shop. And then we'll do next month. No. We'll do I'm going to put down miscellaneous, and it'll be for any any orders that I put in, and I can keep track of my orders. And then last, I want to put next month, so I can write down anything I got going on next month. And then it looks like she leaves this little August part open, but I don't really care to see that, so I'm just going to put this full box sticker over it because I don't need to see August of next month. Yeah, I was going to check if I had some deco to kind of put here, but I don't think I have anything, so it'll just be blank for now. So that is what my completed spread looks like. This is very empty. I might put something over here if nothing comes up, but I do like to leave it kind of open and not fill up every day because I do keep this moving as I go throughout the month. So I like to leave spots open for anything that I need to add later. So yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.